So I have this website that's loading just a bit more slowly than I'd like it to. If I look at the video recording, we can see that most of the content shows up pretty quickly, but then it takes a bit longer for the image in the background to kind of start showing up. And if I go into Lighthouse, I get this recommendation under the diagnostics, which is defer off-screen images. So this basically says that there are certain images that are not immediately visible, and we can lazy load those to kind of reduce bandwidth competition for the more important content. So this diagram just kind of shows we have these kind of above the fold images that need to load really quickly and are really important. And then we might have a really long page, and there's lots of other images further down, maybe even in the footer, but those off-screen images, they're not as important. And if I go to the overview tab here and I go to largest content for paint, we can actually see that kind of in practice. So this is the LCP image, it's a main image. And at the same time, we have a lot of other images, like 10 or 20 other images. And especially these three, they're really large, so they take up a lot of bandwidth to download. And you can also see, if I look at the LCP download, there are these darker chunks, and that's kind of where the data actually arrives. But we can see that it's not just downloading the LCP image in one big chunk, it's actually incrementally loading all of these different resources at the same time, even though some of those resources are not actually visible. So in DebugBear, we have this recommendation called lazy load off-screen images, and that basically allows us to try out lazy loading these. So what if we add the loading inputs lazy attribute? How is that going to impact our page speed? So I'm going to scroll down a bit. You can click on Run Experiment to actually try out these changes, but I already did that a bit earlier on. And you can see that we have a big positive impact on the large contentful paint score. So it's cut in half to just like 1.5 seconds now. If I look at this, it's a big positive impact on user experience. The image kind of shows up pretty much right away now, rather than having to wait for it. And if you look at the waterfall side by side, we can also see there's a big positive change. So before, we had all these other resources kind of competing for bandwidth. These are now completely removed. They're not loaded anymore until the user actually starts scrolling down. And as a result of that, there is a lot of bandwidth competition when we are loading our main image. And so we can see that before the image took 2.2 seconds to load, and now it's just about 700 milliseconds. So we get a big improvement. If you want to test the page speed of your own website, go to debugbear.com/test and enter your website URL.